In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a scan in and scan out timesheet with location. Sometimes it's important to know where your employees are working so that you can bill a certain company. Now, this could also be different job numbers. They might work on a different job numbers several times in the same thing. You would like to keep track of what they're doing. And so in this employee, we have employee 1, and on Tuesday he's worked north and west, and so I've got in for north. So I'm going to copy this his ID number, and it's the same as if you're scanning it. We're scanning it here, and now it's asking you what location you would like to be working at. So I'm going to enter north here, and once again, you could scan this easily. Then it goes in and it looks for north for the employee number, and it finishes the time for the employee number. Now, if I am on Wednesday, which is today, if I am going to a new location, then let's do that. And so let's scan in the ID number. And let's put east. And there you go, it's created a new line and east. And then you know what happens at the end. We have totals. We have the totals of the location that this person spent 32 minutes in north, and this person spent 5 minutes in south. So let me show you how I did this. So the first piece of code I have is called enterlocation. And what I've done is I'm saying the employee code is whatever is in sheet 1, cells 2-1. That's where I'm scanning my barcode. And I'm saying if employee code is empty, an exit sum, and this is just a fail-safe so that we don't keep circling around. And so then I say employee code is not equal to blank, then sheet 2 activate, which is the location sheet. Sheet 2 2-1 value is employee code, and then we're going to the sheet 2 and selecting it. Okay, so now I have on that sheet I have a program running so that if something is entered in the location, then it's going to call this other piece of code. This other piece of code is called tracktime, and tracktime is, first of all, is taking the employee code from the sheet 1 that we're on, the location from sheet 2 in this value. Once again, it's asking if employee code is nothing, then exit sub, and sheet 1 activate, and that's our main timesheet. Then what we're doing is we're searching for the day. So on my timesheet, I have the days in here, and so it's searching for today out of all the days that are there. Then after we find that, we go to find name, and if employee code is not nothing, then we're searching for the employee ID in the C column, and then we declare that that is the row number where we're going to start looking. And now we're going to look for the location. So we're looking down the location row here, which is the B column here, and then what we're doing is we're searching down that, and if the location range is nothing, then do while row number is less than 5, because we're allowing them to work in 5 locations in one day. And what we're doing is we're sheet column row number, so the right row number, and column, which is the date, select. And if active cell value is nothing, if there's no time in there, and active sheet row number, and this is the location, is nothing, then active sheet value equals time, and this is the format for the time. Sheet 1 row number 2 value equals location. So what it's doing is if there's no location in there, it's putting the location in there. And now I'm going to ND, which is the end of the thing. If there is a time in there, now if there is a location in there, Then we're selecting the column and the row number, the column for the day and the row number where the location is. The active cell value equals nothing, then active cell value equals time, and there's a format. Now, if the time is already in there, then we're going to go to out time, and basically what we're doing is we're making sure that there's nothing in there, it's blank, and that's at the correct location. Then what we're doing is we're selecting that cell, and then we're putting in the time. Now what we're doing is we're selecting the start time from the stop time here, and then we're printing it out then we're calculating it, and then we're adding it to the column 18, which is at the end of the sheet. This code will be included in the description of my video. Please subscribe.